Magical Frog, read by Madhuri Verma, Varli Seaface School, Standard 8th, C. Once upon a time, a king ruled a large state. He had 3 sons. All 3 were very wise. The eldest son's name was Ajay. The second son's name was Arjun. And the third son's name was Gaurav. Once, the king called his 3 sons and said that now all of you should get married soon. All 3 of them said that they were not prepared to get married. The king replied to his sons that he was getting old and wanted to hand over the rule of his kingdom to the one who marries the best girl. All his sons agreed to his wish and decided to marry. The eldest son got married to the princess of the neighboring kingdom. The second son also got married to a princess from another kingdom. The third son wanted to marry a girl of his father's choice. The king gave an arrow to his youngest son and instructed him to shoot the arrow. Wherever the arrow reached, he would marry the girl of that place. The young son accepted his father's advice. He shot his arrow and it reached the kingdom of the missing princess. The king ordered his son to marry the missing princess. Gaurav agreed and took an oath that he will marry the missing princess. Gaurav then headed to search for the missing princess. In a deep forest, he came in contact with a frog. The frog requested Gaurav to kill him. But Gaurav replied that he is not allowed to kill anyone. The frog said to him that in order to find the missing princess, he should kill him. So Gaurav's wish would be fulfilled. Gaurav was shocked to hear these words. In a very sorrowful way, Gaurav killed the frog. Immediately, the missing princess appeared in front of him. The princess narrated the whole story to Gaurav about how she went missing. A witch had kidnapped her. On the way, the princess had a fight with her and the witch was killed. In her dying moment, the witch casted a spell and turned the princess into a frog. She told the princess that she would become a princess only when someone would kill the frog. So when Gaurav killed the frog, the missing princess got back to life. Listening to this story, Gaurav was overwhelmed. Gaurav took the princess to his father, the king, who was happy and ordered him to marry the princess at the earliest. On his wedding day, the king arranged for Gaurav's coronation and handed over his kingdom. He said to his other sons that they were too greedy to get the kingdom and married hurriedly without asking their father's choice. Gaurav and his wife lived happily ever after with his father and brother's family. Thank you.